In this video, we'll discuss about genetics. Genetic inheritance of single gene disorder. In this one, we will discuss autosomal dominant, autosomal recessive, X-linked dominant, X-linked recessive. Genetics. The study of gene name is called genetics. What is chromosome? What is human karyotype? In human, how many chromosomes are present? This is cell having nucleus having 46 chromosome, or we can say 23 pair of chromosome. So here inside chromosome is presented. This one is normal human karyotype. Karyotype is the arrangement of all 23 pairs according to their length. First one is this one. First one is largest one and smaller. Last one is smallest one. According to their ascending order of their length of that chromosome. This is known as karyotypes. Out of 23 pair of chromosome, 22 is common in all, but the last pair is sex chromosome. Last pair is sex chromosome. We know if it is male, XY, male means XY. In the case of female, XS. The last pair is different. According to their gender, male have XY, female have XX. We know that first 22 pair name is called autosome. Last pair name is called as allosome or sex chromosome. 22 pair autosome. Last pair, 23rd pair name is called sex chromosome or allosomes. Single gene disorders. Here we will discuss autosomal dominant inheritance disease, autosomal recessive inheritance disease, X-linked dominant disorder, X-linked recessive disorders. So first one is autosomal dominant inheritance disorder. You can see this pedigree. You can see this pedigree. Now it is not related to sex. The square is male, circle is female. The dotted one, dark one name is called diseased one. Okay, that empty one is healthy one. Circle female, this square one is male, dark one is diseased condition, this one is the normal condition. MD is healthy. So both male and female can transmit the disease. Both male and female can transmit the disease. It is not related to sex. Okay, so you can see there is no skip of generation. All the generation, first generation, second, third, all the generation affected. So there is no skip of generation. There is no gender bias. You can see here male also transmitted disease, female also transmitted disease. These are the example of autosomal dominant inheritance diseases. Second one is autosomal recessive inheritance. Autosomal recessive inheritance diseases. Both sex involved. No gender bias here. This generation not affected, generation skipped. So here both sex involved, no gender bias, but generation skipped. Next, what are the example of autosomal recessive inheritance disease? These are the examples: albinism, beta thalassemia. These are the things example. Then third one is X-linked dominant disorder. These are the condition in which both heterogeneous male and female are affected. Male and female. Affected male will transmit 100% of their daughter and none of their son. So here this father only transmitted diseases to daughters only, not in sons. But affected mother female will transmitted 50% of son and 50% of daughters. So this one in affected male not transmitted diseases to son, only daughters, but affected mother transmitted equally. That means daughter and son. Then examples: facial syndrome, Alport syndrome. Right. Next, X-linked recessive disorder. Male have XY chromosome. There is no corresponding locus for a mutant allele of X chromosome on the Y chromosome. Female always act as a carrier. They don't have disease. Male have disease. So female only, this one is the carrier only, not have disease. Male only have disease. Male are the cases and female are carrier because it is X-linked recessive. If one of them is involved here patient don't have disease, female have, Y means female have double X, XX, male have only one X, so male is affected, but female here male only expressed, female not expressed. So female here act as a carrier, male only affected. These are the example of X-linked recessive disorders. First one is autosomal dominant, all generation affected. Second one is autosomal recessive, second generation not affected, next generation affected. Then this one father, this one affected male 100% transmitted to daughter only, not son, but infected mother transmitted 50% son and 50% daughter. In this case male expressed because they have two X chromosome, they only one chromosome X and Y, only one X, so they expressed. Here female having two X, so they act as a carrier, not express disease. Thanks for